Hello and welcome to the KMT Traders channel. Before we get started, a quick reminder, my exclusive Discord link is available for only the first 100 followers. Don't miss your chance to join us. The link is in the bio. Now, let's dive into the EUR JPY setup we've been tracking and successfully executed. Our focus was on price, pushing down to the 61.8% Fibonacci level, where we anticipated a reversal. We entered short positions and locked in an impressive 250 pips in profit. While this was a higher risk entry, it paid off. To manage risk, we avoided getting too greedy, knowing a sharp reversal from the 61.8% level was possible. Moving forward, I'm keeping an eye on potential sell setups at higher levels, but let's see how the market plays out. The next move could either continue downward or completely reverse, and our group is prepared for whatever happens. Make sure you join our Discord link in bio to stay ahead of the game and trade smarter with us. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.